How to view saved passwords in Chrome. You can find a password you've already saved in just a few clicks. Let's find it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Now look at the top right corner and click the three dots. From the menu, click Settings. Once Settings opens, look at the left-hand side. Then click Autofill and Passwords. On the right side, click Google Password Manager. You'll now see the accounts and websites where Chrome has saved login information. Now find the website or account you need. Then click the saved entry. Chrome may ask you to verify your computer password, PIN, or another security method. If you see that prompt, complete the verification. Once you're verified, look for the eye icon next to the password. Click the eye icon to reveal the saved password. That's it. You can now view the password Chrome previously saved for that account. If this helped you find a saved password without resetting it, like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.